There's this free new AI tool that I'm going to share with you, which will earn you from $200 to $500 on Facebook and Instagram. So if you don't have Facebook and Instagram, or you have it and you are not making nothing from it, this tutorial is for you. So if you're looking for the best way to earn on Facebook and Instagram, make sure you watch this video to the end. This video, I group it into steps from step 1 up to step 4. So make sure you watch every steps and take note of every step that I will talk about. The first step is to create an account on Facebook, Instagram, and if you don't have an Instagram account, just go straight forward and create it on your phone. Just download the Instagram app and create an account. It takes you to the next step. The next step is our website that we're going to use. So open your browser and enter this website. If you come to this website, the link in the description. So come to this website, you go to create or register. You just type in your name, your email address, and the rest, and get started to this website. After you have done, it takes you through the dashboard. The dashboard will not look like this. So I've already have an account, so I'll just log into my account. If you look at my dashboard, you can see I have all these stuff. The next step that we're going to use is our boot or our AI tool. So open your browser and search for this AI tool, AdmeFast tool for collecting points. Type it on your web browser. On Chrome, just type AdmeFast Google Chrome Web Store. It's a Chrome extension that we're going to install on our Chrome browser. If you look at the screen here, say remove from Chrome. It means I've already downloaded this website, or I've installed the extension on my Chrome browser. So for you, it will add you to add to your Chrome browser. Just tap on it. If I click on remove, it will remove it from my Chrome browser. After you've done, come to this side. You see all the extension that you have downloaded here. You can pin it here so that you will see it anytime you want to use it. So you see all these extensions here. So that is the third steps. Now what are we going to do? After these steps, I will take you through the website that we are going to use to make money online. So AdmeFast is a platform that we use to boost our social media account like Facebook, Instagram, any social media platform. You can use it to boost your page or grow your page, your followers, your likes, everything on those platforms. So if you're looking for the best website that can help you boost your Facebook account, Instagram account, your website, TikTok, and the rest, you can use AdmeFast. And this website have been in the system for 12 good years and been trusted from millions of users. This extension that we installed is going to help us accumulated points on AdmeFast before you can post or grow a page or a website or any other stuff. You need to make sure you have points. So if you check on my screen here, I have 1,020 points here. That's the points I've accumulated for myself. For you to be able to get more points and start growing those accounts, you need to make sure you get more points. And with the help of the Chrome extension, that the AI tool, we are going to use that one to get more points here. So if you come to this site and you go to your extension, if I type on the extension, you will see this is the extension. So if you come here and you want to accumulate a point, first off, you need to make sure you have this account. That's why we choose Facebook and Instagram for the first start. So if you look at the platform, the AdmeFast platform, and you come in, you could see we have a lot of platform that this boot can help us create or get points from. So we have TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So all these are the website that, or the platform that we can use to get these points. So what this bot are going to do or is going to do is that for us to perform the task for ourselves, if you want to accumulate the point or you want the bot to do this task for you, just choose, if you have a Facebook account, choose your Facebook for Facebook likes, so it will like post on Facebook and Facebook page, like followers, TikTok and the rest, so and YouTube and the rest. So all these, if you tick on all these and you tap on start, let's wait for the boot. If you look at it, say press to stop the boot, so wait a minute and see. Now the boot has started the work, so see. So if you come here, just here, look at this side. Yes, it has liked this post for me, and it will go back, it will like this page for me. Okay, the bots are just doing everything for me. So you see 3 points added to your, so this is what the bots are going to do for us. Now let's take or jump to the next platform that is going to help us make from $200 to $500. Before we go, make sure if you haven't liked or subscribe to this channel, this is your first time and you love my stuff, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Open your browser and type on Fiverr. If you come to Fiverr, you could see a lot of gigs here. So this one says Facebook page promotion, growth likes, growth followers, organic growth. So I will promote and grow your Facebook page following fast. I will do Facebook promotion on 2 million page followers, and it's charging for $25. Let me come to this side. You can see we have people which are not doing this stuff. Come here, all these are what Facebook followers and the rest. So come to Fiverr. All that you need to do is what, come to Fiverr, create an account. If you create an account on Fiverr and you set your gig, if you don't know how to set your gig and you want me to do a video for you, make sure I see in the comment section. So all that you need to do is to set a gig. All these are gigs that people have been setting. So if you set a gig here and you are going, and when someone requests or come to this Fiverr platform, the Fiverr platform is for freelancers platform. So if someone come in and find your gig and is interested in, the person requests it and you go to add me fast and just perform the task for the person. After performing the task, then the person will pay you for performing those tasks for them. So if you come to here and you want to add someone page, you can just do it for yourself. And note one thing is, this bot was created by someone, and if admin first find this bot, they will just turn it off, or they will just turn this bot off. So for you to get your own bot and use it for this business, just come to Fiverr and search for it. We have people here who can do this for you. Okay, so I will develop a custom auto bot to automate your tasks, and it's charging from this one is high. I'll create a web auto bot. I'll design a auto bot web drawing. So you can come into Fiverr and request for this bot and pay for it. This one you can pay for it and use it to earn massive money from the platform. So when they turn this bot off, you need to get your own that will help you. But if you don't have, or you want to do it the task for yourself, you can do it for yourself, but that one, it will not work fast for you. And to add a link, just come to this site. So if you look at here, it says Facebook page like and followers, and you can change it. All these are the platform that you can use. Okay, we have TikTok and the rest. So you just come in and choose the platform that you want to promote, and you can come and select a country. Okay, You can select a country. This one I've set it for worldwide. You can come in and select a specific country that you want or the person wants you to create for. Okay, then you come in and enter the title. You can just enter any title. For Facebook page, you need to put in the page URL and the click. Okay, this one everything is on off. The click, a total click that you want. If you want, let's say you want 1,000 click, you just tap on it, turn it off. This was 1,000 click. Okay, and you set every day how much do you want it your click. And if you come to this side, this is the CPM, click cost per click. So if case someone click on this, these are the coins that or the tokens that they will tip. So all that you need to do is what, just decrease it, and it starts from 3, it ends at 3. So you can use 3. Okay, from 5 to 50, you can just set it to 3 or from 3 going. Then you choose after everything, then you just turn this one also on. So after you have done with this, then you come to this side and click on hit on save. They will tell you this, but forget about it and just click on the save. You have saved it and wait for it. You see that everything have started working. So this is the easier way that I want to share with you. So in case you want to earn much on it, you can promote it on your Facebook page, your Instagram page, and the rest. But if you want to learn how to set up this gig, make sure I see you in the comment section. I will do a video on that for you. See you in the next video.